Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to your iPad mini 7th generation. If you want to connect any Bluetooth device, whether it is a game controller or a speaker or earbuds, all you need to do in order to pair the Bluetooth device with your iPad, then first of all you want to go to the settings. In the settings you want to go to Bluetooth settings. Of course you want to make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Once it is enabled, you want to turn on your Bluetooth device and eventually enter the pairing mode if there is the case that allows you to do so. And then you should be able to find your Bluetooth device on the list of devices detected. So select your Bluetooth device and that's pretty much it. There might be also an option to confirm that you want to pair with the Bluetooth device. So in that case, of course, you want to confirm it. And if you want to find some additional settings, then you want to press this icon, this blue one on the right side. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!